Hi, we are the foodie couple and today's recipe is a must try. Let's begin with finely chopped 5 onions, that's 250 grams, 2 chopped tomatoes 160 grams, finely chopped 8 garlic cloves 15 grams, finely chopped 4 green chillies, finely chopped 2 inches ginger, that's 12 grams, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons semolina also known as Rava, 10 Bombay duck cut into pieces 400 grams. We'll need 1 tablespoon lemon juice which is roughly half a lemon. So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe. Now take a pot and add 1 tablespoon clarified butter and 3 tablespoon oil. Then add onions and saute them for 5 minutes on high to medium flame. Then add green chilli, ginger and garlic and saute them for 3 minutes on low flame. Now add tomatoes and mix it well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Give it a stir. Then add semolina and cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and stir fry for a minute on low flame. Add 700 ml of water. Mix it well and let it boil on high flame. Now we'll add 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and mix it well on high flame. Then add 1 chicken Maggi cube and mix it well. Now on low flame add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Wash the Bombay duck 4 to 5 times, then cut each into 2 pieces. Now gently add the Bombay duck. Stir very gently so the Bombay duck doesn't break apart. Give it a quick boil on high flame for 15 seconds and turn off the flame. Then cover and let it rest for 15 minutes before you serve. And our Bombay duck stew curry is ready to eat. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!